This is the second tutorial in a series showing how to create a navigable PDF file with chapters or sections. Here, we'll build a skeleton file that provides the first page or pages for several chapters or sections within our PDF file, as well as a table of contents consisting of links to these section starting pages. For this, we'll turn to Microsoft Word. In a Microsoft Word document, I start by creating a set of pages, each of which represents the beginnings of a section. Let's say I needed to start each section of my PDF file with some commentary, and so that's what I've added to these pages. In the case of my third section, the commentary actually includes 2 pages instead of 1. That won't be a problem. Now, I'll create an interactive table of contents. To do that, I apply a heading style to some text on each of the section starting pages. I have these demonstrator section titles, so I'll use those. I highlight the text, go to the Home tab, and choose Heading 1 from the Styles menu. And I repeat that for the other section starting pages. Now to create the table of contents. I'll put my cursor before the first word on the first page. I'll click the Insert tab and choose Blank Page. This puts a blank page at the beginning of the document. I'll put my cursor at the top of that. Then I'll click References and the Table of Contents button, which opens a menu. I want to choose Custom Table of Contents. And that's because the table of contents I create will not include page numbers. There's little point in adding page numbers to this document because those would change when I added this document to the PDF. I'll click OK, and Word will install the table of contents. I can test each of these links by holding down the Control key and clicking them, and I see that they work. Now, if I'd like, I can add more pages at the front of this skeleton document to include a title page or additional front matter information.